Hi, first graders. Yesterday we talked about how to write an opinion piece. So I did the example of do you like cats or dogs better? So the pink writing is our sentence frames. So our first sentence goes, in my opinion, I think, then you state your opinion. I said dogs are the best. Then your second sentence, I feel this way because, then your first reason why. You can train dogs. Then your third sentence, I also think this because, and then a second reason, you can walk dogs. So those are my opinions about dogs. Now you have your little opinion book that we're working on this week. It looks like this. Yesterday you should have written about your favorite movie or television show and your favorite type of pet. I did an example of my favorite movie just to show you guys what it's supposed to look like. So I said, in my opinion, I think that everybody should watch Finding Nemo. I feel this way because Dory is very funny. I also think this because all the fish are cute. So you just fill in the blanks like I did here. So yesterday you would do television show and movie and then also type of pet. So today you are doing two more. First one you're doing is your favorite game, and then the second one you're doing is your favorite type of sport. You will be turning this in with your packet next week, and I'm excited to see what your favorite things are. Bye.